This product is great for all skin types and can be used morning and evening as the second step in your Dermalogica double cleanse. To use Special Cleansing Gel, put a blueberry size amount into the palm of your hand and add lots of water. You're looking for bubbles, you want this product to foam. Apply to your face and your neck and your chest. Add more water, massage over the skin in circular motions, and then rinse. What I love about Special Cleansing Gel is that it uses a naturally foaming ingredient called saponaria, great for people who like a lathering cleanser. The product is balanced to the pH of your skin, and some products can strip and dry your skin, leaving it in an alkaline condition, which makes it vulnerable. Special Cleansing Gel doesn't strip and dry your skin and maintains that essential pH to ensure that your barrier function is great.